Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at number 1. On number 1, we have an exponent of 5. That 5 tells us we're going to move how many times? 5. Bigger or smaller? Bigger. So that means I'm going to go this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now, I'll be honest, I found as people have been doing their homework that sometimes by doing it up here and having those over top of the problem, people have been making mistakes then. Or they just leave it like that and I can't tell what their answer is. So you might be somebody that needs to rewrite it and then move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can clearly see what the number is going to be. Again, you can't leave it with the loops. I can't tell now, where is their decimal point? Is it after the 9 or is it after the 0? So I expect that you are writing out your answer then. If you have the comma in, great, you don't need it for the homework, okay? Actually, the homework that we do online, it doesn't want you to put the comma in. So if you don't have it, I'm okay with it, all right? On the next one, if I look at my exponent, how many times am I moving? But how many times am I moving?
4.
4 times, bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller. So if I start with my number, my factor there was 6.02, and I'm going to move it 4 times to smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember when I said when you write your answer, do not write 0.000602. You have to have that placeholder out front. I also have had a couple questions today of, do I need that 0 between the 6 and the 2? Yes, you do, because that is holding that place. That is holding that place. Okay, if it's in between 2 other numbers, yes, you definitely need it. Any questions on the first 2? You have 12 questions like that on your homework. Will that be okay? All right. So, unless you want to be on my recording, I wouldn't add extra questions in. I'm recording myself right now. So, the next one says, write each number in scientific notation. On this one, you put your decimal point after the first non-zero. So if I'm looking this way, anybody, what's my first non-zero? 8. So I put it after the 8, so that makes my factor being 8.785. What do I say? What have I said you have to have after this?
A period, like a decimal point after the 0.
Not there yet, but yes, we're going to count there. But what do I have to have in scientific notation in the form? Yeah, very good. Times 10. Great. Okay, I've had a couple people on the homework not write that part out because the online portion doesn't make you type it out. So they haven't been writing it, but you still have to write that on your paper. Okay? Then I can count and see I've moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Guys, is it going to be a positive 9 or a negative 9? Positive, because it started as a big number. Very good. The next one, what's my first non-zero? The 5. It goes after the 5 to make it 5.24. Then I have my times 10 here. Okay, to make it in scientific notation. How many times did it move over? Anybody? 1 time. Is it a positive 1 or a negative 1? Negative 1, because it started small. Anytime it's 0 point something, it's a negative exponent. Any questions on that one? Nope. The last one, with ordering them, okay, with ordering them, they want us here to do least to greatest. What part do I look at first? Do I look at the factor or the exponent first?
Exponent.
Exponent. Which one has the smallest exponent?
3.
Year 3. It has a 6 here, okay? So I'm going to have year 3. And once I use it, I like to cross it off so I know it's not there anymore. What's the next smallest exponent? Anybody?
7.
It's 7, which is year 4. Very good. I heard both answers. Okay? After that, what's the next exponent?
10.
10, and there's 2 of them. So So, when there's two of them, I now have to look at my factors out front. Which one's the smallest factor? Year 1 or year 2?
2.
Year 2 is because it has a 1 in the tens place, and that means the last one is the 1. Any questions on those?
Nope.
Okay.